it feels great, though. Daddy, it feels great to be here, though. Yeah, I love it here. Yeah, our lights is on. Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. They cut on the camera, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's KHOU, or whatever. What's up, family and friends? How y'all, I guess. I don't know. Your boy Dominoes 7 is live in Houston. Yay! Okay. Yep, so you see, I'm in Houston right now. Well, with my people. With my people right here.
Hi.
Alright. And Daddy, you see, he relaxing and everything. Okay. I want to say, huh? Oh, all right. All right. I mean, they cut on the camera, you know. Yeah, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, everything is going good so far. Out of that, I'm out of that toaster oven and hot as hell, you know, in the hottest hell place. So this is day one in Houston, okay? Day one in Houston, okay? So I must say, oh, thanks. All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, AT, are you glad to be down in that toast oven?
Ryan, come here.
Yeah. Oh, I'm doing a show.
Please.
Oh, I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right there. I'm all right. Let me just. I don't know what she's gonna ask me for. I don't know what she's gonna ask me to do. So I'll be right back there, y'all. So I want to say, are you glad to be out of that hot water heater? Yeah, she's glad to be out of that hot water heater, ladies and gentlemen. Desiree won't want to tell me something. So I don't know if y'all are hearing it or not, you know. So the thing is, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very glad to be here. You know, that's with joy. You know. So. Oh, wait a minute. Well, anyway, whatever it is, let me stop. I don't know what's going on. Let me stop this tape. Y'all watch the film, okay? All right. So I'll be right back.